Hi, my name is Anishka, and I'm going to give a brief overview of our research. Feelings of worry, nervousness, or unease about uncertain outcomes are usually associated with an emotion called anxiety. Anxiety is a feeling many people experience throughout their lives in varying degrees of intensity. However, there are individuals with anxiety so severe it impedes their day-to-day functioning. Those with general anxiety disorder, GAD, experience this worry and unease chronically, and they are unable to control the behaviors that come along with it. The prevalence of GAD in the general population ranges from 1.9% to 5.4%. Now, GAD commonly co-occurs with major depressive disorder, with many of their symptoms overlapping, thus making it difficult to distinguish the two during their diagnosis. We have researched the following questions. How can one get a complete picture of GAD using symptoms? Can we predict the severity of GAD using symptoms as the guiding post? How can social media conversations help with diagnosing GAD? Can AutoML, auto machine learning, be a quick way to model GAD? And finally, what intelligence techniques are there beyond AutoML to predict GAD? Main contributions of this research are to build a data set for anxiety to be used for further research purposes, analyze GAD symptoms with the help of popular chat engine conversations, predict the severity of GAD based on symptoms, and evaluate off-the-shelf AutoML techniques to predict GAD. Generally speaking, machine learning algorithms have been used in various fields of science because they can apply solutions without human input. They have also been used to detect the prognosis of various mental health disorders, such as bipolar disorder and panic disorder. Prior studies have used a Bayesian joint model paired with a linear mixed effects model and generalized a linear model to analyze input data from self-esteem data and anxiety diagnosis in regard to examining the development of self-esteem on adult onset anxiety disorder. Used ANN, RF, NFS, and SVM to predict affective states of an individual based on 5 defined classes without any input data, found an improved accuracy in detecting GAD from healthy individuals and differentiating it from major depressive disorder at 90% accuracy and 67.46 accuracy, and the list goes on. Our study. So recent studies have given rise to more accurate machine learning algorithms in detecting anxiety with an accuracy ranging from 90 to 96%. But these are cumbersome for hospital IT staff to implement. AutoML is a recent technique to enable novice users to build ML intelligence. This study evaluates the efficacy of AutoML using a recent tool, Navigator by Pixida, in building a high-performance machine learning model for GAD diagnosis. Secondly, the study digs deep into symptoms with the anticipation that ML techniques using AutoML would not be as performant. Finally, there is no such in-depth study in recent times leveraging AutoML. The study aims to validate the hypothesis that AutoML techniques can be a low-hanging fruit for hospital IT staff to use to diagnose GAD and similar mental health conditions. From DSM, Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, the 6 criteria of anxiety are specified as restlessness or feeling on edge, being easily fatigued, difficulty concentrating or the mind going blank, irritability, muscle tension, and sleep disturbance. We used Discord chat logs from 2 channels. We downloaded almost 42,000 posts and comments from various individuals. The data has been pre-processed as per this table to correlate a user's sentences to anxiety. Then we manually labeled the comments and determined what anxiety symptoms they express. Our data analysis. So restlessness is the most prominent symptom, followed by difficulty concentrating. Sleep disturbance is the least prominent symptom in this data set. This seems consistent with the general observations in patients suffering from GAD and led us to believe our dataset from Discord has merit in diagnosing GAD. Here is a word map or word cloud with top frequent words after removing stop words from users' comments. We see that people occurred more, followed by feel, anxiety, help, and anywhere. This shows that users want to discuss anxiety and are looking for help. Here's a snippet of the Pixida AutoML platform, which enables novice users to build artificial intelligence solutions. We can see that there's the home screen, feature engineering tab, and the training tab. The Pixida platform has generated these results. The models were able to predict symptoms with an accuracy ranging from 75 to 98%. As for symptom 5, there has not been enough data, so the model's ability to predict this symptom has been eliminated from consideration. One thing to notice is the F1 precision and recall scores are relatively low for the AutoML results. Using more sophisticated techniques, such as CNN, we have attained a significant improvement in precision recall and F1 scores for the symptom prediction ability of the model. However, accuracy ranged from 76 to 99%, only a slight increase to the AutoML results. Our intensity model. To predict the intensity of GAD, a regressor model was stacked upon the previous symptom models that used a random forest regressor. The ground truth labels were also regressed, and a 19% discrepancy was observed between the ground truth labels and the predicted symptoms labels for our intensity model. Okay, for our conclusion. Social conversations, especially in Discord chat engine, can help fuel and seed an accurate analysis of GAD symptoms. The multi-symptoms AutoML random forest model predicts GAD with 50+% precision, except for symptom 5, and is at least 75% accurate for predicting the most prevalent symptom in this dataset, restlessness. This research recommends an AutoML approach to predict GAD symptoms to get a complete picture of anxiety. The AutoML technology is quick and gives a decent performance, but it can be improved upon more sophisticated ANN methods like convolution neural networks that replace AutoML symptoms 2 to 6 deficiencies with at least 80+% precision and 0.4+% in F1 score, namely in detecting concentration and irritability lapses. Thank you for listening.